Hello everyone, welcome to Fashion with Fabrics. Today in this video we will see how to turn a simple saree blouse into a designer saree blouse just by making use of few beads and few stones. You can give a grand look to your ordinary saree blouse. So let's get started. Here I have taken this saree blouse. As you can see, it is very simple. So I'm going to decorate it here in the back. For this, I have taken these designs made of small beads. And here you can see this strip of stones. It will have glue at the back. So what do you do basically is you can just iron it onto your cloth. Then we need this fabric glue. And these stones, it comes on a strip of glue here. Okay, so when you iron on it, it will stick onto the cloth. Or you can stick it with the fabric glue also. And we need needle and thread. Okay, so friends, let's get started. So first I am going to apply this fabric glue along this neckline, back neckline. Okay, now I am going to stick this strip of stones on this. As you can see here, just make sure that it is along the back neckline. And while sticking using this fabric glue, you can see all this white glue here. But once it is dried, you won't be able to see that, so it will be all fine. So don't worry if you see this fabric glue like this. Like this, around the back neckline, stick these stones. Adjust its position properly. You can just move it around as you like. Okay, once it is done, keep it aside for drying. It will dry quickly. Once it is dried, we will go to the next step. Okay, I have these round decorative pieces with me, so I'm going to place it here like this. Here also I'm going to stick them using the fabric glue. You can place it any way you like. I am just keeping 3 pieces here like this. Okay, just apply some glue and stick it. If you can just stick them to the cloth using the iron box also. But here I am using this fabric glue. Okay, let it all dry for some time. Okay, now it is dried. And here also to the front of the blouse. Here also I'm going to stick this stone strip like this. Okay, I will stick it only till here. I'm not going to stick it completely till the hook. So only till here I will stick it. If you want it full, you can do that also. Here along the edge of this sleeve also I am going to stick the stones. I'm going to start it from this point and around the sleeves I will stick it. And here also I'm going to leave a little distance and then stop it. Okay, sometimes it breaks to the arm, so that's the reason I'm not going to cover it completely, but leave a little gap as you can see here. Okay, here I am doing it for the other sleeve also. Okay, here in the middle of this sleeve, I'm sticking one more decorative circular piece like this. I'm going to do it for both the sleeves. Okay friends, now it's all dried now. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just stitch it using needle and thread. You know, sometimes it may come off because I have stuck it using the fabric glue. So in order to avoid, from coming off, I will stitch it. You can put the stitch every 3 or 4 stones. You don't have to put for each and every stone. Just after 3 or 4 stones you can put one stitch. and keep repeating this. So basically by stitching you just make sure that it is firmly attached. Here I have taken this golden thread. It's better to take the thread which matches your stone. If you take the color of your blouse or some other color, it will not look so good. Always better to take the color of your stones. Okay, so I'm going to stitch it along this neckline, and I'm going to do the same for the sleeves also, and also for these circular decorative pieces. Okay friends, so I have stitched all these parts here. So I think now this needs a little more decoration here. So what I'm going to do is stick some more stones here, as I'm showing here. Here I'm going to stick few more stones. I'm making use of these individual little stones, and I'm going to stick them. To pick the stones and put them into place, I have taken this earbud. Okay, now let me apply the fabric glue like this. Okay, I am putting little dots of fabric glue. You can do it in any design you want. I am doing it this way. After that, I'm going to place the stones on this using the earbud. Okay friends, so finally you can see this is the result, and this is how this blouse looks like now. See, the sleeve will look like this. So using this simple method, you can turn your simple sari blouse into a grand one. You know, when you wear this, it will look really nice. Okay, so friends, I hope you liked this video. It doesn't take a lot of time. You can do it on any of your blouses, and you can do it very fast. You know, it won't take much time. So I hope you liked this video. Please give your suggestions, your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.